Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best pallet wraps in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. Stretch Wrap by Package Zoom. The pallet wrap is ideal for wrapping different types of items, and it is resistant to tear. This is exceptionally strong and has high puncture resistance. Additionally, it delivers high performance and can be suitable for uneven loads. Moreover, this is available in a set of 4 rolls where each roll has a length of 1,500 feet. It makes sure there will be efficient performance as this comes with pre-stretch wrap. Furthermore, it comes in a featherweight design and is free from any kind of residue. This is also self-adhering and comes in a non-transparent design. It is in the form of a premium stretch film and has greater cling strength. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. Package Zoom Stretch Wrap. This one has a width of 20 inches and it comes in a set of 4. The pallet wrap comes in a clear design and has extended cardboard core for user advantage. Moreover, this helps to protect products and ensure there will be better storage. Furthermore, this can protect during transit and can secure the load so that there can be safer loading. This is also very easy to use and ensure there will be incredible flexibility. Additionally, it is exceptionally strong and lets you have a smooth wrapping experience. The product comes in the ultra lightweight design and is very durable. Number 8. Palpack Pallet Wrapper. If you are looking for a pallet wrap that lets you have a hassle-free operation, then this can be the right one for you. This comes with a dispenser and lets you have an easy operation. Moreover, it lets you save time, and you don't have to worry about your hands from getting chewed up. Additionally, this comes in a lightweight design, and you can even use it for commercial applications. This is a highly reliable product and comes in adjustable design. Furthermore, the product comes with an ergonomic handle with an adjustable tension setting top. This is also very strong and delivers secure performance. Number 7. Bonison Stretch Film Pallet Wrap. Composed of high-quality polypropylene, this one has a thickness of 80 gauges. The pallet wrap has a linear load density that can be ideal for heavy loads. Additionally, it lets you use it for a variety of applications and comes with advanced craftsmanship. Furthermore, this is very easy to use and is available in a length of 2,000 feet. This will let you have excellent scanning clarity and is resistant to tears. Moreover, the product also has high puncture resistance and can be ideal for all types of stretch film machine. This can be perfect for wrapping different items including boxes, tools, furniture, firewood, and pallet. Number 6. Simply Cool Industrial Strength Stretch Wrap. This one comes in a strong design and lets you use it for a variety of applications. The pallet wrap has industrial strength and is exceptionally durable. Additionally, it has 20 microns shrink film and comes with a superior load retaining force. Moreover, it lets you have a hassle-free operation and can wrap anything quickly and securely. It is ideal for commercial applications and comes in a self-adhering design. Furthermore, this is perfect for commercial use and comes at an affordable value. The product also has high endurance and comes with a core of 2 inches. Number 5. Stretch Wrap by Modern Innovations, giving you the advantage to use it for both personal and industrial applications. Here is a pallet wrap that comes in stretchy film design. This delivers secure performance, and you can easily use it for heavyweight, oversized items. Additionally, it helps to protect your transit from weather conditions and does not leave any residue. Furthermore, this is very easy to handle and you only have to insert the handles to start wrapping. Moreover, this is in a length of 1,000 feet and has a width of 15 inches. The product allows you to save time, and the lightweight construction will ensure there will be cost-effective performance. Number 4. Mini Stretch Wrap by International Plastics. This one comes in a pack of 2 and offers you versatile operation. It has the ability to protect any type of household item and is available in lightweight construction. Moreover, the pallet wrap has a width of 5 inches and the length is 1,000 feet. It can be ideal for moving and storage and ensures there will be effortless wrapping. Furthermore, it has the stretchability of 500% so that there can be a perfect seal. Additionally, it offers more adhesive and makes sure that your items remain safe and secure without any mess. Number 3. Sam Wrap Stretch Wrap. Are you looking for a pallet wrap that delivers heavy-duty performance? This one is composed of durable material and ensures there will be reliable performance. Furthermore, it has the ability to tackle packing, shipping, storing, and traveling. The product also comes in a multifunctional design. and allows you to handle uneven loads. Moreover, this comes in a self-adhering design and offers clear shrink, stretch. Additionally, this is very easy to use and allows you to save time. This has a width of 5 inches and can be ideal for packing multiple types of items. The product is in lightweight construction and is available in a set of 4. Number 2. Stretch Wrap by Simply Cool. Here is a pallet wrap that comes in a pack of 4, and it has a premium construction of 80 gauges. This has superior strength and is available in a durable construction. Furthermore, this can be ideal for rugged transit conditions as this can hold your items securely. Additionally, it comes in a multifunctional design, making it ideal for commercial purposes. It is also quick to use, and the self-adhering design ensure there will be better performance. Moreover, the product comes at an affordable value and can be ideal for different weather conditions. This will also serve as a perfect alternative to strapping and tapes. Number 1. Stretch Film Wrap by International Plastics. The pallet wrap comes in a clear design and is available in a length of 12 feet. This comes with improved versatility and helps to protect your household items. Additionally, this is also very easy to use and can stretch 500 times to its original size. Furthermore, it offers a perfect seal that helps to protect your items during loading. The product is composed of high-quality material and lets you use it safely. Moreover, this comes in with a width of 18 inches and allows you to save money and time. It will never damage your products and does not leave any residue. It also lets you have improved flexibility and safe for the environment. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.